All the resorts same. It's heavy rain.
Wonderful day.
Yeah. But they won't pluck it. Oh, a grand. Going back to room. Amegundi Resorts property. Well maintained property. Very
Nice.
good.
Enjoy.
See the coconut tree? Small one.
They're taking the nectar, then they
You know what is this? The indoor game area. The aerial view of this property. We are in Kanakpura now. Part 2 of Amegundi Resort starts here. This is Naveen and Nanda. Welcome back to another episode of Tent and Travel. Let's go to our room.
Yes.
Done with the lunch. Now we'll go to our room and take some rest. Afterwards we'll come for the other activities.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. I'm gonna do water roller first.
Okay, we'll do that. Where are we going now?
Do that mini pool thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is Ame. Tortoise. Can you see Ame?
Yeah. Ame Gundi.
Means tortoise
Tortoise
pond.
pond.
Well maintained property, right?
Yeah.
Very close to nature.
Yes.
Can we go to that side and see?
Snakes might be there.
Yes. This path ends here.
But the rock path begins here.
The rock garden, the nature rock garden starts here.
Man.
Oh, this is interesting. Wow.
Where are the mountains
See this?
to climb?
Custard apple.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yummy. One set.
See here also custard apple.
Yummy. Here, there, and everywhere.
Nice. Nice. Custard apple.
Yes.
Was it?
Push my finger.
No need. You don't know, Nanda. Your compass is not working.
Dad, I'm permanently walking.
This is nice place to me.
Is this a grasshopper? No, this is called the rock garden.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes. So yeah. Be careful, Dad.
Yo.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
You want to see the interesting one? Looks like a tire, right?
Yeah. Looks. Doesn't look like a tire. Looks like some snakes.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Some cable wire. You said it.
Wow. See, Nanda, this is the one I said.
Yeah. Look like cable wire.
Yeah, yeah. See
No. Oh, some. Is it
Gum.
poison?
this? Not poison. Some gum is coming.
Rubber milk, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Very nice.
I also want to open one.
Come here then.
Okay, just.
Oh, no, no, Nanda.
No need.
See? That gum is dropping from here. Okay. Going back.
Oh, yes. Woo!
Oh, again reception area. We are going to our room.
Yeah, I'm ready to sleep now. Oof. Yes, 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 yes.
Time is 4 o'clock now. We'll go for
Miss Dance.
Miss Dance. Okay?
Okay.
First time we are going to do Miss Dance, right?
Yes.
Let's see what is Miss Dance. It started.
I think so.
See, people are ready.
Wait, how will we go down?
See. Not started. This is the Miss Dance area. It is not yet started. Nanda, are you ready for Miss Dance?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's about to start now. Ready for Miss Dance.
Are you ready? Oh yeah.
Started.
Yeah!
Go. One join, Nanda. Hurry.
Okay.
That is the Miss Dance started now. The mist dance started now. All are enjoying. This is really a good one, like rain dance. Nanda and Chebi already there. I will also join now. See, that is the mist dance. All are enjoying. How's it?
Awesome!
Enjoyed?
Yes.
Wow, interesting. Nice.
This dance, how was it? Awesome.
Yeah, better than rain dance, of course.
Yeah.
High tea! It's a high time for high tea. Hey, TV bike here?
I'm not sure.
If there is, I want to do it with you. Me?
Bhaji.
Yep, and some ketchup.
Oh, what is that?
Star lollipop.
Nice tea. All the resorts same.
Banana bhaji.
Chili bhaji or banana bhaji. Tea, coffee. Done.
But Nanda got cake.
Nanda got cake. Birthday celebration हो जाए. Done with high tea. The other activities we can do tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's about to rain.
Oh, great as usual. Okay. Some people even stepped on them. I wouldn't dare step on flowers. Only if I see them. If I don't see them, I might.
It's heavy rain, no power. We are going to the restaurant for our dinner. Yeah, it's almost 8:30. Yeah, we reached the restaurant. It's heavy rain. We have soup, again salad, curd rice, corn pulao, dal. That is roti. This is another veg curry, steamed rice, rasam.
Same.
Non-veg,
Chicken also same. All
chicken also same. They have added some gravy. We have another chicken curry. What is this? Another payasam, sir. This is another
moong dal. Okay. That is
moong dal. This is different. Okay, let's start. Right, it's heavy rain, and the other thing is we don't have power at our room. So don't know whether these people will fix it. Let's see. I've taken roti and chicken. Hot and sour soup. I don't want to have salad. It's raining. Done with dinner. Half of the items are from lunch. Food was average. Now we are going back to room. The rain stopped now. No, hopefully they would have fixed the power issue. Here nobody is there. They fixed the power issue. Yeah. Next day morning, we came out for a walk as usual. At 9 o'clock, we'll have our breakfast. After that, we'll try to cover some more adventure activities we have not covered yesterday. At 12 o'clock, we'll be checking out from this property and back to home. Continue watching Tind and Travel. So we came here in Rock Garden. This is a nice attraction here. We climbed up and now going down. Yeah, need to be careful here. Little bit slippery. Yeah. Shami, have you observed this? Lot of custard apples, they won't pluck it. You know why?
They will leave it for bird.
Yeah, they will leave it for birds. So they won't pluck it. It is all for the birds. You can see here, right? Birds are eating and this is the left out. These are all good thing I liked about this resort. Shami will go once again to the tortoise, the icon of Amegundi resort, right? This is the icon of Amegundi resort. Shami, you know why they named this resort as Amegundi? Ame means tortoise, that you know, right? Gundi means pond or any pit. Before there was a water body here with full of tortoise, it seems. That is the reason they named this resort as Amegundi. Nice name, right? This is nice, right? See, they are completely wet, Shami. Usually it won't be, right? Shami, the good part is, as it is monsoon, looks good. We can see some greeneries. Shami, come here. Oh, a grand swimming pool. Construction is going on. This is very good. This is very nice. Shami, left side you can see the cottages. And here right side, this is the tents. Inside they have set up the tents. See this? Nice?
Yes.
Now done with walk, going back to room. We'll get ready and go for breakfast. Time is 9 o'clock. We are going for breakfast.
Yes!
Want to play in swim? Want to play in swing? We'll have breakfast first. Food is first. Looks like breakfast is ready. What all the items will be there? Any guess?
Some watermelon, some cornflakes, some chocos, some idli, some sambar, some chutney, and some omelette.
Let's see. Okay. What is it? As Nanda guessed, idli, sambar, chutney, dosa. Yeah, pongal. That also you didn't say. Kesari bath. You said omelette, but boiled egg. Grape juice. Grape juice. Tea, coffee. So what are you taking? Taking juice? Take one for me also. We are in Amegundi Resort. Continue watching Tindan Travel. Nanda. What you taken? So no continental, right? It's okay. A traditional breakfast. Idli, dosa, boiled egg, everything is there. Even you have the juice. Dosa. Good. Sambar is good. Try dosa, Nanda. Very good. Idli is also good. Pongal. Nice. How was the breakfast?
I like that.
No bread, no omelette.
Yeah, no fruits, but still you like it. Yeah.
All right.
Those days to buy.
Now we'll try zip line,
Yeah.
right? Okay, let's go. Everywhere we are trying zip line.
Yeah.
I think last we tried mango mist, right?
Yeah.
Sinanda, it looks like very long, right?
Yeah.
How much it is?
100 meter distance.
100 meters is there. See? All right.
Let's go.
Nanda got ready. Now Shimi is also ready. See the background? That is the restaurant. We had our breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything from there. This is a water body. They used to have kayaking, boating, everything here due to low water level. Now they are not doing the kayaking and boating. Even I am also ready. Nanda and Shimi already went that side. Let's see. Hi. Very nice property, well maintained property. I see the scenery. Very good. Nanda is there. She's ready. Okay. How's it?
Awesome!
Very good. Long zip way.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You enjoyed?
Yes.
Very good.
I want to do it again.
No. Only once. Shemi starting from there. Shemi! Very good. How's it? Okay, right?
Yeah.
Enjoyed?
Yes, enjoy.
Very good. Okay, now I'm going. Yes, starting. Wow! Super. You people are not going? Not interested?
We are going.
Okay. Waiting for them? All right.
Little scared.
Oh, so cute. Little scared.
What's your experience?
Nice.
Good?
Good.
Scared?
You enjoyed it?
Enjoyed?
Yes.
Good. Good one. Very good. How was it? Enjoyed? Yeah.
Enjoy.
All right. Good.
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಹೇಳಿ
Zipline was awesome, right?
Yeah.
100 meters. Looks very long. We enjoyed.
Yes.
I think most of the people doing that.
Yeah.
The thing is, we need to pay 100 rupees per head for zipline. This is not complimentary. We already done. Let's go to the other activities.
Water roller also.
Yeah, all right.
Yes. Let's go.
Nanda, read that.
Amagundi.
Amegundi. Let's see water roller. Someone is there for helping us.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I don't think so.
Yesterday we didn't come here, right? Nice. See the coconut tree, small one. Wow. Is it? Nice, right? We need to do water roller. We are waiting for someone to help us. See the small coconut tree, right? Even you can only pluck. This is water roller. Now Nanda and Shami going to try. I think we have done this from Mango Mist. Right? Nanda? Strongly you need to push.
I'm a bull man. I can do it.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, Nanda. Getting inside? Okay. Should roll it. Same direction you need to walk. All right? Yeah. Good.
This side. Yeah, I did cute stuff.
3 and 2. Yeah.
Oh my god.
ಮೂರು ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ
Yeah.
ಸರ್ 3 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ
Not today. So, your turn. Go.
With me again.
All the best, Dado.
Okay, this side.
Oh, wow!
Unfortunately, Nanda fell down. Nanda, why you change the dress?
I literally fell down in the
Okay.
water.
It's okay, it's okay. Now we change the dress, right?
Yes.
Now we will try some other activities, okay? Before we check out. Alright? We'll do archery now, okay? See the archery spot. Aiming? Yeah, aim. Aiming outside?
Little up.
Try. Right. Done with archery. Here also we have a lot of activities. Outdoor games, indoor games. It is very good for day out. Day out package start with $6.99. Huh?
They're taking the nectar, then they'll go to their beehive and then they'll make honey.
Okay. Shooting. Aim properly. Yes. Try. Start. Yes. Are you the hunter? Good. Okay now?
Okay.
Done with shooting too.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You know what is that?
Pumpkin?
Yeah. That's a creeper, yeah. See the pumpkin? Nice.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen pumpkin? Like this?
Oh, I never seen pumpkin like this. Did
Okay.
you know that these things are tendrils? They protect the plant. The grip and protection of the plant.
Okay. I like this pumpkin.
It's funny.
Alright, we'll go.
Yes.
We'll go to that bullock cart and take some visuals and go. Come. See the pot. I like this.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Nanda, you know what is this? Yeah. Nice.
Really move?
It won't move.
No, it won't.
They blocked it. Okay.
But what if it can really move? Because they just put the rocks here. What if it can really move?
It will move. This is a real one. But now this for the show they put it here. They, see, without breaking the rock, they made the tank, water tank here.
Yeah.
Good. So this is the indoor game area. Drums, table tennis. That's how we play golf. Okay, come. Nice. This is the indoor game area.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
This is the swimming pool. See this? Wow. Very nice. So this is the aerial view of this property. Very beautiful location. Wow, wonderful view. Very nice. Superb. Keep watching Tint and Travel. Shemi and Nanda is standing there. Wow. Very nice. Nanda, done with all the activities now. We'll go to room. We already packed up. Now we'll.
Check out.
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't want to do any?
Very nice. Tired?
No, yeah.
Want to play in swing? We are going now. Go there. We will take the luggages and come out, okay? Tired.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, back to to home.
Yeah.
With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, Amegundi. Bye, Amegundi.
Bye, Amegundi.